We have seen one vice versa scenario of a display BR example. So what if user don't have any user groups? So at that moment we have to decide we have to display a information message that this user doesn't have groups. That's one another scenario we have seen. After that, we have started learning about the new concept called script include. Why we need this concept? We have also covered that to overcome the limitations of the client script and display BR. We need this concept, and we took an example of seeing one scenario. If we entered employee ID, which is the text field, not a reference field. So by taking that as input, some action has to perform on the server side, and we need to get the response from server to client. And using that, client has to set some other fields values based on that given input. So here we have seen the server side what action needs to be performed and what actions needs to be performed based on that on the client side by using the script include and the glide ajax. So also we have seen what is class and what function, what is the function, and why we need to declare a function in this scenario. We have covered all those things as well. Yeah, this is what briefly we have covered in the last class.
Very good. Okay, so nice. Thanks for covering, Ma. So how many people completed the last day practice? Very good. By the way, 20 people joined. Why? IPL, huh? IPL. 14 people out of 18 people. Perfect. Okay. So while you are preparing it, while you are practicing it, everyone are able to do it easily. Correct? Now you got the this one, right? What do you call the understanding of this one, right? What do you call, Ma?
Script include,
Script include.
glide ajax.
Yeah, right. So any questions from script include part, that when you are doing it, if stuck anywhere or you got any issues? No one got it, right? Almost like everyone did it, right? 18 people out of, sorry. Everyone got it, ma, easily? You are able to practice the script include part? Any questions from that part? No, all good. Okay, so no questions, all good, right? So see here, okay, the last session that we discussed is a script include. As part of script include, okay, we discussed a few things, okay. One is class, another one is function, and what is script include, why script include, the definition, the need, okay. And then we seen one example, and then based on the example we started, okay, understanding how the things are connected, right? Client server communication. Okay, this is the main thing that we covered in the last session. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay. So fine, now today we'll continue from there. Okay, we have one topic today, that is dynamic reference qualifier. Okay, this topic is too simple topic. Okay, if you see dynamic reference qualifier, there is nothing to discuss, time waste. Okay, but we don't see dynamic reference qualifier, but we see script include here also. Okay, this is only a reason. Okay, dynamic reference qualifier is just a kind of reason, okay, where we take that reason and then we learn script include in a different dimension. This is what the agenda of today's session. Okay, so good, right? No questions, correct, everyone? No questions, right? That means script include class is best class yesterday, right? Who is this smart? Two people joined. Can you, Mallikarjun Reddy garu, kindly drop from one account? Okay, so good. Yes. Huh. So see here, I'll go to the page. Understand these things here, okay? Incident page. right? Now I have caller field here. Very carefully see. Now tell me the question and answer. Okay, the question is, what is reference qualifier and what are the types of reference qualifier? Tell me the answer, anyone, please.
Restricting the data of your reference field is nothing but reference qualifier.
Yes, good. And what are the types of reference qualifier?
Simple,
Simple
dynamic, and
advanced dynamic.
Simple.
simple, advanced, dynamic.
Very good. Now, what is simple reference qualifier? What is? Tell me what are the types of what are the differences of these three?
Okay, so the first one is simple reference qualifier. We can, and by using the condition builder which we have at the, there at the sorry, dictionary level or at the list level, we can use that condition builder for this as a simple reference qualifier. Whereas come to advanced reference qualifier, we can use the encoded query or the JavaScript. And yeah, those are the things we have learned so far. I don't know about this dynamic reference qualifier.
Okay. So on the day when we were discussing about dynamic reference qualifier, what we told, what we use in the dynamic reference qualifier?
JavaScript. Script include we use.
Script include and business rules.
Rules.
The script include and the business tool. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So now, very carefully see here. Okay. We'll start with one experiment here. Okay. I have a caller field. What I will do is I will say like this. Right. I will say like this. Okay. So see, in the caller field, let me clear everything. Okay. By the way. Right. So by default, okay. Now, right, general behavior of a reference field, we are seeing it. Okay. Very carefully see here. Right. So caller field is there, which is referencing to the user table, and I can see all the users here, okay, from the table. Correct? 641 people. Okay, 641 people are there, okay, from the user table, and you can see all of them. Correct, everyone? Right? Now, if I want to apply some filter, I can use reference qualifier. So this is where reference qualifier will come into picture. So here we have three reference qualifiers: simple, advanced, and dynamic. Okay. So now what I will do is very carefully see nothing. Okay, simple, advanced, we already seen it. Now I will go to the dynamic. I will select dynamic. Okay. Now I selected dynamic. When I selected the dynamic, okay, I have something to select here, dynamic referral equal. Do you all see one option?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, right, right, give me a second. Right. Now, I selected here, I got one option here, I don't know what it is. Okay, so what I will do is, I'll just say it's a lookup, I'll just say lookup. Right. When I say lookup, it is getting something, I don't know the reason, and I have only one entry here, I'll select it. Okay. So now I selected, I save it. That means I applied a reference qualifier here. Correct, ma? I applied some reference qualifier. What is this? What it will do? I don't know. But I applied some reference qualifier. Noticed everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now save it. Very carefully see. After saving it, okay, observe the behavior. Right? Go to this one. Right? I applied a reference qualifier. Now see the results here. Out of 641 people, users, now how many members you are seeing is 4. That means it is restricted with a filter. After restriction, 4 users are available here. Everyone noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone. Yes, ma. Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now here the question is, sir, for why this for? Who are this for? Why this for? Okay, this is what the question. Okay, now the answer is very carefully see here. If I want to know why this for, I want to know something else here. What is something else here is, okay, caller field is there, you applied a filter, now you need to understand what it is. Because of this, you are seeing for there. Okay, so first of all, what is this? Then only you will understand, right? So you just go, this is the reference now. Okay, so here you have something called I, correct? Right? Just click this I. Okay, open this record. Okay, so there is a technology, there is a part, there is a topic in the service now is called dynamic filter options. Okay, filter options. So there are many dynamic filter options. You selected one of the dynamic filter option in that reference qualifier. This one you selected there. Okay, so now you selected there and it have some definition, this definition, and based on the definition it is doing something. This is what happened. Now what is this dynamic reference qualifier that called PA contributor? What exactly do you have? What exactly it have it? Okay, so how can I understand, okay, this dynamic reference qualifier definition and why those four people? Okay, so this is where I landed, right? Now very carefully see here, ma. Okay, till this point any questions? Nothing covered, but any questions, any confusions in the navigation part? Anyone? Any questions? No questions, correct? Now see here, okay, what is this dynamic reference qualifier? What is this dynamic filter option is? Here you have a script here. Do you see a script here, everyone? Everyone, you see a script here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay. The script is, right? Just to take the script out. Okay, now this is the core part of our learning today. Okay, this page, this is filter, that and all nothing, but this is the main part of learning today. Okay, so take the script out. Okay, so now, right, the script is this, right? So now I am giving a statement here, right? In service now, whenever, wherever you see a structure, a script structure, okay, like new space something dot something, wherever, whenever, from you know, okay, new is also sometimes it is optional, sometimes it is needed, but maximum don't even see the new. Okay, only thing is you see, okay, 1.2, if you see something like this, okay, in service now anywhere, okay, the first part is class, okay, and second part is function inside the class. Understood, my everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? First thing. Now second thing. Okay, now as per last session, for us class is script include, correct? Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
function is the function inside the script include. Clear, everyone? So I'm coming back here, everyone. Okay, whoever missed it, just understand it. Okay, I went here in the incident table. Okay, there is a caller field. Okay, I went there and I applied a reference qualifier. What type I took it? Dynamic type I took it. Okay, when I took dynamic type, I went here and then checked. I have one option here, that is PA contributor. I don't know what it is, but I just selected. Okay, after selected, okay, the reference is limited from 641 records to 44 records. That means restriction happened, reference qualifier restriction happened. Now I'm understanding here what I selected, this one. Okay, this is nothing but a dynamic filter option topic. There is a topic called dynamic filter option. So inside that there is a dynamic filter option with the name PA contributor. Okay, now I'm trying to understand what is this PA contributor dynamic filter option. Okay, I went inside it, then I found one script here, right? I copied the script in the notes. Now a statement here. Okay, in ServiceNow, whenever you see something, a structure like this, it is class and function. Do you remember we discussed something, class and function definition, right? So this one, this one, this one, this one, correct? Now how I called the class and function? This way. Noticed ma, yesterday we covered, right? How can I call a function? Class dot function. Noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so the same thing which we are seeing practically here. Okay, PA utils, you have the script here, new space PA utils dot get contributor. Okay, PA utils is a class and PA utils is a class and get contributors is a function. Okay, and for us class is nothing but a script include. So script include name and the function name. This is the topic. Now here this is the syntax that is used to call a script include, okay, function from non-client side. That means what ma? Server side or anywhere. If it is a client side, how to call a client? How to call a script include from a client side? How to call a script
Glide,
include from client
Glide
side?
Ajax.
glide Ajax.
Glide Ajax. Okay. Calling a script include from client side is only Glide Ajax. Now you are all understanding what I am trying to say. So calling a script include from server side is this syntax, or calling a script include from non outside anywhere, okay, is this syntax. So when I say anywhere means why sir anywhere, you said, very carefully see here. I selected something now. I will change it for time pass. The same script came now. Do you see the same script came? Whatever the script is there in the PA contributor, system took the same script here. JavaScript, new PA utils, get contributors. So now I am calling a script include and a function from where? From dictionary. Correct? So that's why I put one extra word here. Non-client script means server side or as well as anywhere. Dynamic filter options, workflows, everywhere, whatever you take a topic. But if it is a client side means only Ajax. You should not pronounce wrongly. Calling a script include from client side means first word that you need to get it in your mind is Ajax. Simple. That's it. No more. Okay. Discussion. Clear everyone? This topic is clear ma? Till this point clear? Till this point clear ma? The
Yes, sir.
syntax?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now repeating it. If to call a script include from non-client side, okay, this is the syntax, right? Now sir, you said this one na, that means I am getting now so many questions in my mind. So far I seen where GA equal to new glide ajax of new glide record of, okay, something we did na, gform dot, okay, set value. So now can I say all of them, glide record, gform, glide ajax, everything, glide, okay, gs, all are script includes and functions, sir. Okay, remember it, okay. So see, system is giving us so many things. Gr dot add query, okay, gs dot, okay, uh, add info message, okay, gform dot, okay, set value, right, g user dot, okay, first name, so or else name or whatever is, okay, has role exactly, right. Now, if you see the syntax, sir, can I say like these are all GR, glide record is a class, these are all functions. Glide system is a class, and these are all the functions. GForm is a class, okay, and those many functions. GUser is a class with so many functions. Can I say like this, sir? Yes, can I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 100% yes. Okay, so now if you imagine ServiceNow when they created it, they built so many script includes, they've put so many libraries, they've put so many functions they given to us. Okay, very carefully see now. Okay, now we are going to the next level of discussion, right? Very carefully see, answer me, are we developers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Doubt? Doubt, sir?
No, sir.
No.
No.
No. Okay, very carefully see now. Okay, we are developers, I agree, but how much level, sir? Okay, I am a developer here, and I am using gform dot set value of short description, okay, equal to hello sk. Okay, now if I am the developer, okay, who is this person who developed this function, who developed this class? How those people will be called as? Someone say yesterday I created one function. What is my function? What function I created? I created a class. Okay, this is the class I created, and this is the function I created. Like this, someone created to you, okay, a platform, and they created one class like this, G underscore form, and then they created so many functions for you. Add, okay, set value, get reference, everything, and they created so many functions with, okay, parameters. Now function and these parameters. Now who created this one? Who created this class? Who created these functions? Who given the structure to you?
Backend
Yes, sir.
developer.
ServiceNow
Developers.
developers, the platform developers who designed this tool to you and then given to us. Now if we are the developers, who are they?
Platform developers.
Developers.
So now if you compare ourselves with themselves, or if you compare themselves with ourselves, are we developers?
No,
No.
sir.
Understanding my everyone? Everyone understood this point? Why I am saying this way is, okay, the subject is this much deep. We learnt how much we need it, that's it. Okay, to do a ServiceNow developer job, this line is enough. Okay, this is enough. People are there who don't know even this one also. I just had a call, okay, sometime back before this call, one girl called me, sir, I want to learn ServiceNow. Okay, learn it, join. I already know something. Then why you are joining? No, I know something, 50-50 I know. Then what is your need? I am attending jobs but I am failing. Then I asked one question, how much you know? I know, sir, I can able to manage it. I only need job here. Okay. So if you get a job, how you manage? I have a friend who will support. Very nice. So why you are not getting job? Because I know fundamentals, but I can't able to handle the scripting. So which job you are attending? Developer. Without knowing scripting, how you call yourself like a developer? I can manage. This is the situation. Now what I did? I asked a question. Can you give me one example for before business rule and async business rule? So before business rule, if I want to give a message in the form, I can use as before business rule. In this case, why you have onload client script? Okay. Yes, that is also correct. So this is where your situation is. Now you call yourself as a developer. Yeah, I am a developer. At least I understood the question, I tried, but still your answer is wrong. Correct? For myself, okay, if you ask me, you are not the developer. This is what my feedback. Am I right, ma? Yes, am I right? Or am I wrong? I'm 100% right. So then I told, okay, first clear your mind and then learn what is essential at least once in a lifetime. Fundamentally strong, then attempt it. Okay, she convinced. Simple. So why I'm telling the stories and all is like we are now feeling like we are developers, but there is another section also we can still go through. This deep is there, subject is there, correct? There is no stop here. This is only a start. If you think beyond your limitation, this is your, we are thinking beyond now, correct? So if I want to design a platform, a class, these many functions, how much I should know? Correct, Nama? That's where actual developers, okay, Java developers, .NET developers, those people will come. We are not that level. We are just developers who can at least use the existing things, that level only. Okay. For this, if we feel like we are super developers, means we are in a blind situation. Correct, Nama? But still, we are developers only, don't worry. I'm just giving you the reality. Okay, how much is there? Okay, so my request is don't stop your learning. There is no stop here. Okay, we're just learning the essential part. Okay, good, fine. So now came back here, right? So, sir, how to call a script include from non-client side? This is the syntax. Perfect. Till this point clear? And wherever you see, whenever you see something like this, it's a class and it's a function. Class is nothing but a script include and functions. This point is clear, ma? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now let's move to the next one, sir. Then fine, sir. Okay. Introduction is clear, but let's understand what this guy is telling. Why those four? You still didn't answer me. To get the answer, we need to understand what is there inside, no? Okay. So if you have a structure like this, it is a script include and it's a function. So how can I access this one? Go to the script include page. Right? Go to the script include page. Right? Now what is the script include name? PI utils. Get the script include name. Okay. Now this is the script include. Okay. This is the script include is being used or called. Now inside that, now yesterday we created one script include with one function. Now this is out of the box script include. Now you see how many functions you can see here. So see here, you have something like this now. So right, function, right? How many are there? How many functions are there, ma?
41.
Close to 40 plus. Okay. Now the script include is a collection of these many functions. If you scroll down, okay, how many lines of code it have it is, you can see so many. Okay. So now in this 41 are so many, okay, there is one script include function. That name of the function is what? What is this?
PAU.
Get contributors.
Get contributor. So control F, control V. Okay, this is the function. Whenever you go here and you click this one, very carefully see, whenever you go and click this one, okay, the script will run and the result of this function will show here. This is what the dynamic filter reference qualifier is working like this. Okay, good. So now what is, why this force, sir? What is there in the script, sir? Very carefully see here. Okay, now this is a script. Line number 5112, 522, 11 lines of code, 12 lines of 12 lines of code, right? What is there in the script, sir? Okay, take it out. Okay, paste it here. Okay, now read this function and the code and tell me what the script is doing for us. Tell me, please. Tell me, ma, what the scripting is doing, script is doing for us. What is the output of the script? Tell me. Anyone? Tell me what the script is doing for us. So it is going to a
So
table.
it will return the
a array. We are declaring a array,
Okay, it's declaring a variable array, first thing, and then going to a
and
table.
then yeah,
What is the table?
sys user has role,
Sys user has role table. So what the table contains for us?
have the users with roles.
It contains the user with roles. So go, sir, go there, open it, show me the proof. Okay, go here, right? Open this one, right? So this table dot role list. Okay, now, right? What is the next filter? Okay, add query role name equal to PA contributor. Okay, so role name equal to PA contributor. Apply a filter. Now, with this role, PA contributor role, 4 members are there. In this role, 4 members are there. These 4. Okay, these 4 only you are seeing here. Okay, so now script. You went here, query while gr.next, you took one array contributor, you are pushing the user from this record, okay, inside the contributor. That means if you have 4 people, 4 users sysids will come into this guy's sysid, get value of this person's sysid, get value of this person's sysid, get value of this person's sysid, get value of. 4 times the while loop runs and the contributor will become, okay, the contributor is equal to, after running this, very carefully Sima, this is very important, okay. After running this, okay, contributor, okay, is equal to, I can say, the 4 people's sysid, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Sir, inside the loop I understood this way, sir. Till this level I understood. Okay. Fine, sir. Right? Give me a second, man. The next line is very challenging line. Okay. For that to explain, we need to be little specific here. Correct. So now after the while loop runs, the contributor value is this one. You all agree? So everyone agree, ma? I will put outside of this loop because after this running, the contributor is equal to this value. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now function always return something. The output of the function execution is, okay, if you trigger this function, the output is this one, return whatever there after return this one. Okay. Sir, it's fine now. Okay, you got the contributor here. Okay, and after looping the contributor value is this one, but you are writing something like sysid in maybe something like contributor dot string. What is this, sir? This is one I didn't understand. Till this one I know the coding, I also practiced it. Okay, till this one I understood, but why this line is written like this? This is our confusion and question now. Correct? Everyone correct?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Everyone agree, ma? This is what our confusion and question, right? Except this line, everything we understood. Correct? Everyone, yes?
Yes, sir.
Now, if this is the case, very carefully see. I'll give you a scenario here. Very carefully understand. I'll give you this four sysids. I'll give you like this. Okay. Now I ask you to get these records. From where? From user table. So how you get it? You go like this. Okay. Now you go to the sys underscore user table. Okay. Now you need to get those 4 people whose sysids are belongs to this list. How you get it, ma? Tell me, what filter you apply? What filter?
User ID,
So sysid
sys_ID is is one of.
okay. Then you did like this. Okay, run it. You get this 4. Correct? Everyone correct?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
when you are looking here, here also one filter is getting applied and you are seeing this 4. The same filter is applying here. Correct? You are seeing this four people here means some filter is applying here and then you are seeing the result here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very carefully see there. Okay, go here. So where are those 4 people? Here. Correct? Take this encoded query. Very carefully observe this one. Very, very, very sensitive part. Okay. Copy the query. Copy. Okay. Copy query. Go to the notes. Right. The encoded query is sysid in operator, the contributor value. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what the function is writing now? Return a string sysid in plus concatenation the contributor value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood? Everyone understood why written is written like this? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The function, very carefully see where this function is being used. You need to use this output of this function to apply a filter. To apply a filter, I will tell you, okay, if I give you this code and ask you to apply it, if I directly pass like this, will it apply the filter? Just see. Okay, in my childhood, now we will say, okay, our class teacher will say, okay, he will give one math problem. Okay, if I have 10 dogs and if I give you 3 dogs, how many dogs I will be having it? Then everyone will shout, sir, 7, 7, 7, 7. He will say, 7 of what? Donkeys? He will say 7 dogs. Correct? So if you give like this, if I ask system to apply a filter, okay, can I say name contains, or can I give email equal to something? So we need something to apply a filter, na? So to apply the filter, this line is needed. So that's why we put here like this. The script is written like this. Understood now? Why is this side in kept there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, yes ma, understood ma? Everyone, you understood why this function is defined with sysid in? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any questions in this part, please? Any questions in this part, please? No questions. Okay. So, right? This is how we can think the script include in a different dimension. The same script include only, the same function only, but how it is getting used. And you see now the script, but what we are writing the output have some purpose. We molded the output results like this. Yesterday, our output is like this. Now you are able to imagine, sir, why you put like this, sir? Now why you put like this, sir? Why is because based on the need. Understood my everyone? Everyone understood?
Sir, here contributors dot to string function. Why they have written like that?
ToString is a JavaScript function. Okay. So it is to convert any format to string format. Okay. Sir, this is already a string now. Okay. Why I need to put 2 strings, sir? Okay. Very carefully see, it is little low level topic. What is the type of sysid field? Type of sysid field. The column type of sysid field.
String.
type of sysID field is not string.
Difference.
No. Okay. So very carefully see ma. Okay. The type of sysID field is there is a separate type called sysID type. I think. Okay. Type is itself is a sysID type. Okay. Very carefully see. Let me see by the way before I confirm it. Okay. But it's not string. That's for sure. Okay. If it is string, then you no need to write toString. That's what my 100% sysID. So now what is the type here?
Syside.
GUID.
Something
ID.
GUID sysID. Okay, but it's not string. That's for confirm, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So now, okay, this output of a function should be always string only. If any function that you execute, the output of the function, what is the type? What is the type? What is the data type of a function output? The answer is string. Remember it. Okay, what is the output of the function? What is the output?
String.
Okay, now you are getting a sysID different type of field value. Even though it looks like a string, but it's not actually the string type. So sometimes system will not understand this one as a string. So better you make it as a two string. It's a best practice. Okay, sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. So why to give a chance? Two string is the best option. Understood, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Sir, now what are the things we learnt it, sir? We learnt one example for dynamic filter option, and we seen how dynamic filter option, dynamic reference qualifier will be working, and dynamic filter option can be configured using a script include and a function. Okay. Then one example of a function, another best example, how to get the people who have a specific role. Now, if you see this script, if I ask you to write one script, okay, get the people who have some X role, you can able to get it, or get the list of roles that user have it, some X user have it. You can get it, correct? So this is another mode.
Yes.
Okay. Now what extra we understood here is, okay, something the need, the output, making the output based on our need. This is what we understood. Okay, done. So now another main important point is how to call a script include from non-client script. Okay, using script include name and a function name like this, right? And if you see like this, it's obviously represents a class and a function, right? Now if you see, class means everything is a class. Glide record is a class, gform is a class, guser is a class. System already built some libraries. There is a terminology called libraries. Okay, here we don't use the terminology called libraries. Okay, we simply call it as a functions or APIs. Okay, and they given already so many methods. Every upgrade after, they will improve the methods. That's why, okay, if you just go to the documentation of one release and different release, you see so many new methods will come under this. What do you call? Okay, under this classes.
Classes.
Okay, if you see two three versions back now, if you see g underscore form, you have limited. Now you see two three extra added, 4 extra added. How they will create some extra functions, and then they will allow us. Okay, send us, right? So now, right, this is what also we see in it. Okay, now sir, in this case, okay, very carefully see, go to the dictionary table. Okay, we on that day sys underscore dictionary table, right? When we covered on that day the reference qualifier, we seen very limited. Okay, one simple example for this one. Okay, and not much examples, right? Sorry. Now if you see here, okay, how many ways or how many examples that we can find now is, right? So reference equal to, right? You can have the scripts can be called from reference qualifiers, right? So this is a condition. The condition is converted like this. This is a script, okay, direct script. This is a direct script. This is not a direct script. Here, what function, what method they are calling, ma?
Diagram.
I'm sorry. Okay, so there is a script include called diagram builder client utilities, and there is a function they are calling. Okay, and the output is they will get something, and then they put one filter here, sysID not in.
Not it.
Correct. Now similarly like this. Okay, this is filter. Okay, these are all filters. This is again one more function from. This is again one more function from PA utils. Okay. Okay, like this, if you see, this is how you can make one script include one functions and then use them for multiple purposes. Understanding, ma, everyone? Guys, everyone understanding? Script include definition can be defined one time, but you can use this one from multiple places. This is the main intention of script include. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's it for today, ma. Any questions? Kindly raise it. I don't want to take any further class because this is enough. Tomorrow class will be something like, okay, uh, interview, phase 2 interview. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? So prepare well, come back and take the questions for today's session, please. Any questions, Sima, please?
Sir, I have one question.
Uh-huh.
Glide is that's used only for client side. You mean only in the client scripts we can use that
Correct,
to access our information, sir?
correct,
Okay.
correct. To call a script include from client side, glide Ajax. That's it. You should not get it anywhere else.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Got it, sir.
good. Yes.
Sir, I have one thing to clarify. So on the day you started phase 2, now on that day you have given a list of items what you are going to discuss under phase 2.
Correct.
And that too under server side scripting topics, there are two more topics, sir. One is fixed script and automation. So
Automation we already
what?
seen now, advanced script.
Oh,
That
okay.
covers.
So,
Fixed script we will cover tomorrow, ma. Tomorrow interview is covers everything.
okay, okay.
Okay, that is just a discussion, but in interview itself we will cover so many pending topics. Okay, so
Okay, sir. Okay.
tomorrow class will be very important class. Remember, kindly don't skip it. Interview, sir. I am getting headache. I am not available. My marriage is there, sir. No, don't do that, please. Even though if you don't have answers also, please join. Okay. More than interview, it's phase 2 review. Okay, and in the review you will be seeing so many new topics, very 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 important interview questions. Tomorrow if I speak 1 hour means every minute will be having one interview question. Okay, that is too much deeper, so don't miss tomorrow session. It's very very important. Okay, it's a kind of revision, it's a kind of interview, and it's a kind of everything. Clear? Any questions, ma? Please raise it immediately, quickly, please.
Sir, regarding the reference field in the glide Ajax, we have used the text field, right? If we use reference, we need to use the same script, or do we need to do any modifications in the glide Ajax
No,
using a
sysID.
reference?
If it is a reference field, you will put like sysID equal to there in this. Here, you user ID instead of user ID, you put sysID. And then you pass that get value of sysID of the user. Correct? Yes or no? If it is a reference field, what you have, ma? Get value of reference field, what you will get it, ma?
Sys ID.
SysID. That SysID you will pass it, correct? From client to server. Then here, you
Yeah.
will put SysID equal to XYZ.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, fine.
Any questions, ma, please? No questions. Okay, ma, let's end it. I need to drop. Okay, please excuse, but class is done. Nothing compromised. Please finish this part also for tomorrow session. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Sir.